a super original 45,000 real mile car. It is mostly original paint. It's had a couple things fixed, like the front bumper, and the rear panel was painted. It is in amazing original condition. The paint has been rubbed out heavily. I'm gonna do a quick running video for you guys. Listen to the buzzer, works clear as day. Super original car. We'll pull the hood. Start her up. She's a little bit warm already, so I just drove it. But it runs like this cold. The choke definitely works. A little idle high in the morning. Let's check it out the back. All stock mufflers. A little rev. Sounds awesome, runs perfectly, as you can see.